going to discuss about that how we can flash the Origin OS SGSI, which is based on the VIVO. I mean, you might have heard already about the VIVO phones. So in this video, we are going to see that the operating system which the VIVO uses, that is the Origin OS. So how we can flash that in our Redmi Note 8 Pro. Now, guys, in this video, now who all can see this video? So first thing, let me just clear you all that in this video can be seen by literally everyone, because guys, GSI and SGSI ROMs are applicable for each and every devices. Okay, so guys, this video can like everyone can see this video. There is no such restrictions that only Indian users or Indonesian user or global or Chinese or Russian. Literally everyone can see this video, watch this video and flash the SGSI ROM, the Origin OS port. Okay, so let's start with the video, guys, and make sure that you hit that subscribe button, guys, and also like the video, subscribe to my channel, because guys, there are lots and lots of new updates which are coming. And also, guys, this is the first time on the YouTube I am covering. This is the first time on YouTube who is covering this VIVO, or you can say the Origin OS SGSI port for the Redmi Note 8 Pro. Like before this, I guess no one has covered this one with full details and proper explanation. And guys, also one more thing to say, that in the last video I have seen many comments. In the last video of the corvus OS port, I have seen the corvus OS GSI ROM, the video which I posted last time. So I've seen many comments that bro, the steps are quite longer. And also, guys, many people commented on the Telegram group that the steps are quite longer and whether they should flash it or not. So guys, let me tell you this thing, that in this video this will be a very precise video regarding flashing of the SGSI ROMs. So you don't have to really think about the length and all, because guys, in this you don't have like in this all the things are quite perfect. I mean, everything is working. Like in the last corvus OS, everything was needed to be fixed, for example the VOLTE, the earphone and all. But guys, in this everything works fine, because there are no such bugs till now. I have played the BGMI and all, so I'll show it in the review video as well, but this video is all about the flashing of it. So guys, let's start with the video. So guys, I have just captured some screenshots, so I've shared these screenshots as well as many other screenshots on the Telegram. So guys, if you're not on the Telegram group, then make sure that you join the Telegram group, because guys, there we share many interesting stuffs out there. So guys, let's see all the screenshots one by one. So guys, this is the first screenshot of the Origin OS. Okay, now this is the Origin OS, guys. You can see that this is the Origin OS which is there, and here this is the setting up screen, and here you can see that this is the timing and all, and the battery how it looks. Okay, now let's move further. So you can see that this is the setting, again a setting screen. Here I have the option to choose the fingerprint and password. So here you can see this thing. Now guys, one thing I will tell you, that in this you won't get the face unlock, because I'm not sure whether you get face unlock or not, but probably to be honest, I haven't checked it out yet. I need to check that out too. So next is about this thing. You can see the VIVO App Store, you can see this thing and the gallery and all. So guys, these are some screenshots which you can see, and this is basically the loading screen. And here you can see that we have this is for our device itself. You can see the model number as Redmi Note 8 Pro and the software version and the kernel and all. So here you can see that, guys, the device, the stock 𝗵𝗶𝗶𝗲 kernel has been used. Just let me show you. So guys, here you can see that the stock 𝗵𝗶𝗶𝗲 kernel has been used, and guys, this ROM was made in the year 2021, and the developer of this ROM is 𝗬𝗶cie h''. So the whole credit goes to that guy. And here you can see that the Android security update is also of 2021. Now guys, we are flashing this in 2022 because till now no one has covered this on the YouTube yet. So that is the reason why, guys, I thought that I should explain and make sure that I aware all the people that yeah, I mean, such ROM also exists, so you can also go ahead and try these. So you can see that the model number is there, and the kernel which is used is basically the stock kernel which we get in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So guys, this is the another screenshot. Now let's move to the another. So here, guys, you can see about the thing, like here one feature you get is that you get to know that how much the data the hotspot is consuming, or how much data your Wi-Fi is taking. And here you can see, guys, the HD is written. It means that VOLTE is proper working. Now moving on to the next. So here also you can see, guys, that how much data you have consumed. You can get the value of that, like how much data you have used and all. So here you will get a lot more options. You have to click on this edit option, edit icon, and here you will get a lot more options. So let's move to the next one. So here, guys, you can see that this is the actual Origin OS which is based on VIVO. Okay, and here our device description has been mentioned about that it is a Redmi Note 8 Pro, and our the speed, the CPU speed, and here our processor, and this is the RAM and all. So I hope that all these you can read, and this is quite clear. So guys, I think this was the end of the screenshot. So guys, okay, and guys, one more thing to tell you all, that this is based on Android 11. Okay, so this 𝗬𝗁 h''𝗁 port is based on Android 11. All right, so SGSI port, and guys, you will literally feel that you are using a Vivo. Okay, you are using an actual Vivo ROM. Okay, you won't feel that you are using a Redmi device. You will actually feel that you are using a Vivo device. So yeah, I mean, it's quite smooth to use. So let's see how we can flash this thing, and also what are the files which are required. So guys, here I am on the website now where you have to download the ROM. So I will provide the ROM link directly in the description. One file is you need the ROM link, and the second file which you need is this TWRP recovery link. So I will provide both the link in the description as well, and you just check it out and download the ROM, I mean the GSI port from there. And the second thing is this, the themed TWRP yellow zip. Now guys, I'm telling you to download this zip because guys, all the files, all the testing and all has been done on this particular TWRP recovery. So that is the reason now guys, I am recommending to use the themed TWRP. Now guys, you can use any of the recovery, that is completely up to you, but guys, I am recommending to use this one because I too have flashed on this one itself. Okay, so let's go to our phone and let's see who all can flash this ROM. But to be precise, like if I want to say before, so I will say that everyone, like literally everyone can flash this particular ROM. There is no such restrictions that you are on custom ROM, you are on MIUI, you are on any of the MIUI version. You can just go ahead in the TWRP and flash this ROM. Now let's see how to do that and who all can flash this ROM. So guys, here I am on my phone, and let me show you that correctly guys. I am on MIUI 12.5.5. You can see from here that I am on MIUI 12.5.5, and guys, this is the Indian version. You can see that 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲𝗃, so IN stands for India. So guys, I am on the MIUI 12.5.5 Indian version. So guys, if you are on any MIUI, or if you are on any of the MIUI ROM or any of the custom ROM, so you can still flash this VIVO Origin OS SGSI port, and you can go to the, I mean, you can experience that Vivo level performance on your Redmi devices. So let's get started. So first thing first, what you do is you have to click on the MIUI version 7 times. So you can see that here it is written you are now a developer. So when we have developer, just press the back button and scroll down over here and click on the additional settings over here and click on the developer options. Now again guys, scroll down and here you can see that my device's bootloader is unlocked. So guys, for flashing the Vivo OS in your device, so you need your device to be unlocked. So guys, my device is already unlocked, so yours should be unlocked, and here you can see that my MI unlock status is unlocked. Now press back over here and click on the USB debugging over here and enable this thing. So guys, here I'll just press the OK, and here my USB debugging is enabled. Now what I'll do is guys, I will connect my phone with my PC using this connector. So let me connect it, I mean this charging port and all. So just let me connect this thing. Okay, so guys, my phone is connected, and here I will select the file transfer and I will copy the SGSI port for that is Origin OS in our Redmi Note Pro. So let me copy that thing. So let me go to my PC. So guys, here I am on my PC, and let me just show you that this is the two files which we need. The first one is the themed TWRP yellow zip, and the second one is the Origin OS Begonia. So you simply have to select right click this thing, and here you can see the copy option. So select this copy and double click this in your internal storage, and you can simply paste this over here. So guys, let's wait for this to get it pasted. So guys, here you can see that my Origin OS port has been copied. Now guys, let's see what we have to do in our phone. So we have copied the Origin OS port in our phone. Let me show in my phone as well. So here I'll go in the file manager, I'll click on agree and continue. I'll click allow over here, and here you can see guys that here we have copied the Origin OS port in the bottom, you can see. So guys, let's see what we have to do. So first thing first, what we have to do is we have to flash the TWRP recovery, because guys, in the MIUI you don't get the TWRP recovery. If you are on custom ROM, so you can directly go to your TWRP recovery and follow the same steps as what I am doing. And if you guys are not on the custom ROM, if you are on MIUI, so obviously you will have to follow as what I am doing. Like similarly, you have to follow the same thing. Okay, so let's do that. And guys, make sure that your USB debugging is enabled. Okay, as I've already shown in the step 1. So I hope that your USB debugging is enabled, and make sure that your device is connected with your PC. So I'll press this power button over here and I'll click the reboot, and meanwhile I will press the volume down button as well, so that I will go to my fast boot mode. So guys, here you can see that I am on my fast boot mode, and guys, make sure that your phone is connected to your PC. And guys, let's go to our PC. So here in our PC, what we have to do is we have downloaded the TWRP recovery. So you simply have to right click on this one and click on the extract to TWRP. So when you will click on this extract file, guys, you will get the folder like this. So I'll just re-extract it just to affirm it once again. Okay, so here we have re-extracted this TWRP recovery, and we will simply double click this thing. Once again we'll double click this, and here guys you will have to click on the flash BRP MIUI Android 11. So double click on this thing and let's see. So guys, our TWRP recovery has been flashed, and here you can see in our phone that the TWRP recovery has been flashed and it has already booted up into our TWRP recovery. Okay guys, so now the real part starts. So guys, make sure that you watch all the part very carefully, because guys, even if you skip a single step, it may lead to breakage of your phone, because guys, none of the GSI ROMs or SGSI ROMs comes with the boot loop saver. Okay, so that is the reason I am saying. So first thing first, what you have to do is you have to come to mount over here, click on the system, vendor, and then NVData and 𝗬CFG. Okay, make sure that you mount the NVData and 𝗬CFG as well. And here you have to enable the MTP. Okay, now press the home button over here. Again, come to the first of all, what you have to do is you have to go to the wipe, click on the advanced wipe, select Dalvik system, vendor, data, and cache. Now swipe to wipe this thing. Alright, now again guys, press the home button, come to install over here, and here you can see that there is an Origin OS Begonia zip which is available. So you simply have to select this and you have to swipe to flash this thing. Note guys that this is not a custom ROM, this is a SGSI ROM. This is not a generic system image, that is not a GSI ROM, but it is a SGSI. Okay, now SGSI and custom ROM have a very huge difference between them. So guys, here our custom SGSI has been flashed, and again what you have to do is you have to press this home button over here, come to advanced and click on the disable force encrypt and swipe to wipe. Okay, again come press the home button over here, come to advanced, and here guys you can see this close AVP 2.0. Just select this thing and swipe to wipe. Okay, now guys again press the home button, come to wipe over here and click on format data and type YES. Now guys, follow the same steps as what I am doing. The steps are not yet done. Now again guys, press on the home button, come to mount over here, mount the system, vendor, and the protect F and protect S as well. Here guys you can see that protect F and protect S has to be mounted as well. Guys, make sure that you mount this thing, because if you don't mount, then many system options will not work. For example, the Bluetooth, the torch and all that, flashlight and all, so that may not work. So that is the reason why guys you have to select this protect F and protect S as well. Okay, and make sure that guys 𝗬CFG and NVData is also selected. Now guys, again here disable this MTP over here. Now press the home button over here and come to reboot and select the system option from here. Now guys, let's see how the the booting screen looks. So guys, you can see that the Vivo logo has successfully appeared on our Redmi Note 8 Pro. Now guys, let's wait for it to completely boot up, and then we'll see that we'll enter the system and see how it looks. So guys, here we have booted into our Origin OS system. Now what we have to do at first, the very first thing is that you have to change your language, because you won't understand even a single word of it. So you have to convert this to English. So select over this option, you can see this language selection option, and here you can just click and select English and click this blue one. Okay, now here you can see that we have the Origin OS in our Redmi Note 8 Pro, and we'll simply click get started with Origin. And here guys, simply click on agree, because without that it won't further proceed. So here guys, if you can connect to your network, I will simply go with the setting up offline. Click on the skip over here, and currently as you can set it later, and here you can see that here you can set the fingerprint and password according to your choice. Click on the skip once more, and again click on the skip and skip this as well. Now here guys, what you have to select, what you don't have to. So first thing is that you will disable this thing. Second is smart upgrade, you will disable this as well. Again this as well. Location you can leave it as you want, but guys again the next one you will disable. Art plus turbo personalize and you will disable this, you will leave it as it is. Now nano music player you will leave it as it is. Click on the next over here. Again guys, click on the skip as one, because we don't have anything. So we'll click on the full screen gesture and click on the next. And guys, here let's wait for some time. Okay, here we'll select the origin cover and we'll enter the origin OS. So guys, here you can see that origin loading screen has came up, and let's see how it looks. So this is about the origin OS which we were talking about. So guys, I have already shared the many screenshots on the Telegram as well, and here you can see in the video itself. So guys, here you can see that I have already flashed before as well, so that is the reason why guys it is showing me 2 MB. If you flash new, so it will start from the 0, okay, and it will then eventually how much data you will use, so that will be shown over here. Okay, now here you can see that guys the magic is there. Now first thing, let me tell you that in this you won't get any Google apps. Now for flashing of the Google apps, what we have to do, let me tell you that thing. First thing first, guys, just carefully follow whatever I say, because if you don't follow, then it will work and all. So eventually you will comment on the YouTube that bro, this is not working, that is not working. So that is why I'm saying beforehand that please just make sure that you check these parts, because this is the like this part is the part where we actually fix the errors. So let's see. So first thing what you have to do is you have to come to the scroll over, I mean this side, and then click on the magic. So guys, before flashing magic, what you have to do is you have to come to the browser. I mean this already have a browser, you can see this via browser. So you just have to come to browser, it already have a VIA browser installed in it. So you have to come to this browser and you have to type google.com, and in the Google you can see the 𝗏GApps download. You simply have to write this thing and click on this one, that's 𝗏GApps. Okay guys, now do what as I say, because guys that is the needed one. I mean, come to this 𝗏GApps, and here you have to select ARM64 over here, and here you can see that guys there is a version called as 𝗏C. Okay, yeah, this 𝗏C, and click on this thing. Now again guys, click on the core, and here guys the version 2.6, just select that thing, and here you can see that guys here there is 3 files, which is the auto, the recovery, and the magic. So you have to select this auto file, and so you simply have to try to download anyway. Now you simply have to click on OK, this guys, and let's see how much time it takes to download. Okay guys, so here I've downloaded the 𝗏GApps. Now what we have to do is we have to, and very first we have to install the magic. And guys, make sure that you don't uninstall your magic, because if you uninstall your magic, then you might not able to use your Google services, I mean the Play Store and all regarding activities. So that is the reason you need to keep your magic as it is. So again here click on the continue installation. Okay guys, now click on the open over here, and guys do the same steps as I am saying. Please don't skip even a single step, I mean the setting part. Okay, now click on the magic over here, and here you will ask to just reboot. So click on the OK, and rebooting in 5 seconds, so let it reboot. And meanwhile what we have to do is you have to press the volume up button. So press the volume up button over here. You can see that I am pressing up the volume up button. You too have to do the same. So guys, now what we have to do, we have to after pressing the volume up button, we'll come in the TWRP recovery. Now again come over here and click on install, and here the file which you have downloaded, that is the auto 𝗏GApps. You just select this file and swipe to flash. Guys, here you can see that our magic module has successfully been flashed. So now let's see what we have to do. So first thing we have to do is we have to clear the wipe, cache, and 𝗏. Now again guys, press the home button and click on to reboot and click on the system. So guys, our device has booted into the origin OS, I mean the VIVO. So let's see that whether, so you can see that Play Store has successfully came up, and now guys you can connect to your network and you can set this thing. Just wait. Okay, so now you can just sign into this thing and you can set your Google apps and all. So let's see that guys, let me just check that whether the VOLTE is working or not. So you just simply cancel this thing, click on the 198, and let's see whether the VOLTE is working or not. So I'll click on the speaker.
Your Last recharge for 190 rupees.
So guys, you can see that our VOLTE is successfully working, and here also guys you get an additional feature of call recording without getting known. You can see that I'll click on the record and it is recording this thing. So guys, this was the call recording is working, and guys also the speaker and all is working, and you can set all the control center from here. And guys, you can get the settings from here. You can see the settings and all from here. So guys, this was all about in this video. If you like the video, then make sure that you hit that like button, and also guys subscribe to our channel for more awesome updates and more awesome contents. So guys, if you have any doubt, then we will be solving on the Telegram group itself, because there already many doubts have been posted and we will be solve every doubts.